naman nag-harvest ng sweetheart ko ng kamote.
So, ang kanta ng mga
Yam leaves. Yam leaves. Ayan. So, nasusuplayan kami nito ng vegetables namin for the week. Tapos, itong kinukuha namin ngayon, i-share namin. Kila Mami, kila Tonet, kila Ate Mili. Ito na so far yung nakuha namin, friends. Kamote leaves or yam leaves, parda, and spinach. Yan, spinach.